Guys, this is an armadillo. Oh my God. Guys, I've only seen a 9-banded armadillo one time at Pinckney National Wildlife Refuge. This is unbelievable. I'm at UCF Arboretum on the other side. My parrot started crying. Normally he would do that if he sees a hawk or a bald eagle. And he's very scared of crawling turtles, which this probably reminds him of that. I don't know where that fear came from. I've had freedom for 10 years, but this is unbelievable. So, this could be a 9-banded armadillo as well. I'm in Orlando, Florida, so UCF. Is this amazing? Signing off live. It's Karen March. Have a great day.